Reviving damaged hair can be a long road, but with a little patience and dedication, you can restore your hair to its former glory. Incorporating these 7 tips into your hair care routine can help you achieve healthier, shinier, and more beautiful locks in no time. When it comes to our hair, we all desire that perfect look that exudes healthiness and radiance. Unfortunately, years of heat styling, chemical treatments, and environmental factors can leave our hair looking far from its prime. Thankfully, there are numerous ways to bring your hair back to life without breaking the bank or visiting a pricey salon. Here are 7 tips that will help you revive your damaged hair. 1. Shampoo less often. Overwashing your hair can strip it of its natural oils and leave it brittle and dry. Try switching to a gentler shampoo and condition once or twice a week. 2. Use a deep conditioning treatment. A weekly deep conditioning treatment can go a long way in restoring your hair's moisture levels. Look for products that contain natural ingredients like avocado oil, coconut oil, or honey. 3. Trim your hair regularly. Split ends and damaged hair can be a result of not trimming your hair often enough. Make sure to visit your hairstylist every 6 to 8 weeks for a trim. 4. Avoid heat styling. Heat styling tools can be damaging to your hair, causing it to become dry, brittle, and prone to breakage. Try to limit heat styling to special occasions or switch to a gentler heat-free styling option like braids or air drying. 5. Use a wide-toothed comb. Brush your hair with a wide-toothed comb or a detangling brush when wet to avoid breakage and tangles. 6. Limit chemical treatments. Hair treatments like perms, relaxers, or coloring can damage your hair. If possible, limit the use of these treatments, and when you do use them, choose high-quality products that are gentle on your hair. 7. Eat a healthy diet. A balanced diet with nutrients such as vitamins A, C, D, and E, zinc, biotin, and omega-3 fatty acids can help support healthy hair growth. In conclusion, restoring your hair's vitality and shine may seem like an uphill battle, but by embracing these 7 practical tips, you can embark on a transformative journey towards healthier, more radiant locks. So, take charge of your hair care routine and start embracing these valuable tips today to reveal the gorgeous hair you deserve.